Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Part of my dry phase, my face is clean. I cleared my face. This is morning phase. I wanted to be able to show you guys the condition of my face, and you know, so you guys can see I have a lot of discoloration. Whole lot of discoloration. And right now it's like winter in New York, so because of that, well, my skin is combination skin, really and truly. My skin is combination, but when it's summertime, when it's winter time, my skin starts to get a little bit dry. Not too dry, not overwhelming dry, but you know, you can feel it. You know, you can feel it. When I do put my makeup on though, my T-zone still gets oily, but it's not like severe. Like, I still get oily and stuff, but not like, you know. But I ordered it and it came in this packaging, right? You guys can see. It came in this. It says Colourpop, and then it said whatever, thanks a bushel, which is cute. That's cute. Okay, get in focus, camera, get in focus. Okay, and I ordered these here. So what I ordered is I ordered three or four. I ordered 3 pressed powders. I got the matte blur face setting spray, and I love me some setting spray, so let's pray that this works with my skin. Oh yeah, I got no filter setting powder. Now I was supposed to get this color that I got, what is it called, medium deep. I was supposed to get one banana, because they have, I think, I don't remember the first one, but I know they have banana, and then they have medium deep. And instead of me getting one banana for to set my concealer and one medium deep for my entire face, I got 2 medium deeps. Like a crazy girl. I got a primer, and I need primer in my life. Like I said, when I put makeup on, my skin still gets oily, like my T-zone area, so I'm just hoping this works for you, girl. And then I got the foundation sticks. Now, I've been seeing a lot of reviews, and I'm kind of late, but I want to try it on my skin. My skin color changes when the season changes. So, of course, in the summertime, I'm more darker. Then in the wintertime, I get more lighter. But I got the color in Deep Dark 185W, and I got it Dark 167W. Now, I wanted to get 167 for like a concealer, but I'm gonna actually test this out. This one that I'm gonna try is 185W. This is Deep Dark, and they have this on they call it on Colourpop, where you can pretty much select your undertone, which will make it easier to select your shade, which I think is like really nice and stuff. And then they give you like little pictures of the girl, so you can compare it with your skin. So this is 185W. This is it. This is my skin. I'm gonna do it here. I'm gonna do it here. I'm sorry. This is 185W. Now you can't really see that, but it's 185W, and then this one is 167W. 167W. Now my undertone is like yellowish, like goldenish, so this is 167W, which I wanted to use like as a concealer, but as you can see, okay, so you see that. It's blending in more. So I'm gonna try to use this as a concealer. I hope it looks good. Whew, I hope I didn't make a mistake getting this. I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna try. I got a stipple brush for the cream foundation. They said that it's better to use a stipple brush, which, you know, I'm pretty sure of, but I got a full face powder brush, and they feel like so soft, y'all. Ugh, it's soft. And I got an angle brush. So I'm gonna go in with the primer. Oh, the primer comes in this little thing. It feels nice. This is 25 grams. Not bad. For smooth, even skin and a matte finish that lasts all day. Okay, let's see if it lasts all day. Alright, I'm gonna put this here. Here. Okay. I don't like putting a lot of primer. I don't like overdoing it. I like putting enough. Okay, and this is it. So I'm gonna go in with the 187, right? Foundation stick first. 185, I'm sorry. Okay. This is 185. Okay. Now on my hand it looks a little bit darker, but on my face, looks, we'll see. It's 185. It's 185. I was a little bit scared too, because I never use cream foundation ever. I mainly use like Fenty Beauty and, you know, liquid foundations because I feel like it blends easier on my face. But I'm nervous. I'm nervous, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back on the camera because I got off to do my brows and blend this out. The stippling brush wasn't really working for me. I needed something bigger, so I used my e.l.f. brush. I don't know if this started off as a stippling brush or a foundation brush or a powder brush. I don't know what it started off as. Alright, so it is lighter. On my hand it was a different tone, that's why you gotta be careful. I don't like my concealer too light, like too, you know, too light. When people are like, damn, she got mad concealer on. I want it to be like natural glow, you know? Let me just carve out. The angle brush is good. It picks a product, which is nice. Okay. With the setting spray and everything on it, it don't feel heavy. Probably because I've never really had cream foundation before, so I was like judging it based off that. I'm just gonna do a little liner. Okay, I did my liner off camera, and now I'm gonna go in with my favorite mascara. This is the Sephora mascara. I don't know the name of it. It's the Outrageous Curl Dramatic Volume and Curve Mascara. But mascara is not about anything but the brush itself. Like, if you get a mascara that's super cheap but has a good brush that can really comb through your lashes and give it, like, you know, volume and all of that, you're good. It's not about how expensive a mascara is, because I put this for what, $15, and this first will last me for a minute. And this is my favorite mascara. It's great for your bottom lashes as well. It gives it an extra, you know, extra lift. That's what we going for. I'm gonna go with my Wet n Wild, like that's like my favorite highlighter. I'm about done. Okay, let me just be honest and tell y'all, when I first started doing this, right, a tutorial, I was nervous. The makeup don't seem right, it's not blending. The cream foundation is taking forever to blend, but as you keep going, it actually works out for you. My color was 185. The only thing I didn't like was a stipple brush because it takes forever to blend. I need something big and something that's just gonna, you know, get the job done. The setting powder was like on point. I love it. I love the setting powder. I used it for under my eye, my concealer areas, and then I used it like all over my face. Probably that even toned it. The setting spray is good. The setting spray is good. What else did I use? I love the setting spray. I love the setting powder. I love the powder brush. The primer is good. Right now my face is not oily. I mean, probably because I just did my makeup, but it's not oily. And I like the primer too. I love the primer. I didn't use all Colourpop. Obviously my liner, my mascara, my contour, like it's not Colourpop. I just did it because, you know, it helps the look, enhance the look. But I'm pretty much finished. I'm gonna actually make a quick video after this to do a review on this here, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, peace.